morning.
My heel already hurts from walking down all the
Yeah?
steps. Hi, Mom.
What's a clom? How'd you sleep? It's a little rainy. This is my breakfast.
We're going swimming in the ocean.
So excited.
Very excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
There's a little tree. Oh, I want to do that. You having fun? What are you doing?
We're playing
What are you playing?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
With yourself?
Yeah.
It's so cute. What are you doing laying down?
I got washed out of the ocean because I was going to run to one of the boats out there, even though I would never have made it. But then I got attacked by a huge wave and got number 10 tiger washed up on the shore.
It's cute. What are you doing good?
Just talking.
Cool.
Gently.
You look tan already, Trev. What are you doing?
Playing with Trevor.
Oh, he's over there. Isn't it so pretty here? pretty. We went on that banana boat thing that you saw, and it was really fun. I love palm trees. The water is cold. A little. It's warm but cold. That doesn't make sense. But. We're going to dinner soon. I makeup on and showered, and I'm going over to Mama's room. It's a nice sunny day at the beach. Just kidding. It's nighttime right now. We just finished eating. I had a chocolate cupcake. What'd you have?
Like a caramel banana.
And for dinner, I had butter noodles.
I had mussels, I had clams, I had growing pain in my shoulder. Ow, ow, ow. That's happening. Okay, well anyways, I had chicken fingers and I had more shrimp. And I also had shrimp in the first one. Ow!
What was your favorite thing you did today, Chubby?
Probably get attacked by waves.
Yeah, we played in the waves all day. My favorite thing was probably the waves too. It was really fun. When I close my eyes, all I can see is waves.
Whenever I close my eyes, or just feel it right now. Ow!
Good night. We're going to bed. See you tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.